In this video, you're going to get a cold email script that you can use to sell to social media marketing clients. You can use this script to get social media marketing clients for your agency. Why should you listen to me? My name is Jacob, and I've generated close to $1 million in sales in 6 months using cold email outreach, selling services like social media marketing. And I want to share with you a script that works quite well for me that you can plug and play with your own case studies in your own market. Whether you want to sell Facebook ads to e-commerce stores or whatever, you can use this sort of framework to your advantage. By the way, before I jump in, if you want a bulletproof training on how to generate leads for cold email outreach so that you can book more meetings and close more deals, I have a free training down below in the description that goes through my step-by-step process on the best and most efficient lead generation strategy. It's a series of free videos you can watch. And if you want my help personally with your cold email scripts or sales strategy, you can book a 1-hour consulting call with me in the description down below. It's a half-an-hour call to start, followed by another half-an-hour call later on to check on your progress, and I've helped a lot of people with that as well. So I'd love to talk to you. That being said, let's jump into the video. First thing is to say hi to the person. So let's say, hi, John. Give them a personalized compliment. So you're going to say, love the article you wrote about your experience hiking the Rocky Mountains. Nothing like the outdoors. Okay. Now you're going to say, recently helped another, we'll say, subscription box e-commerce store use Facebook advertising, we'll say Facebook ads, to generate an additional $200K in sales within 60 days, an 11x return on their investment. I don't know if this is reasonable or not. I'm just making up a case study for the purposes of this email, right? Maybe we'll say 5x return on investment. I think 5x is more realistic. I don't know. If you're a Facebook ads person, you would know better than me. But essentially, what you want to do here is plug in your own case study. So a case study, by the way, is like recently helped company with service which resulted in outcome/benefit within timeline. So that being said, you can plug any social media marketing into this, so whether it's LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, I don't know what other social media people are using these days, Snapchat, whatever, and you can target any market you want, whether it's e-commerce or whatever. By the way, e-commerce is not really a market, it's more of a company type. You should be even more specific with your e-commerce. Like, subscription boxes are a specific type of e-commerce, right? So be as specific as possible and target your market based on your case study, the niche, the company size, etc., and then just turn your case study into a one-sentence case study using this framework, right? Then after you give them a compliment, you give them a case study, you want to give a follow-up. So a call to action. You can just say, are you interested in doing something similar? Or let's say, would love to help you do something similar. Are you around later this week for an intro call to discuss further? Thanks, Jacob. Okay. All right, wonderful. So now we're going to do a follow-up email, and I have an entire series on follow-ups if you want to watch that, or entire video on follow-ups that you can watch. But anyway, next up we're going to give them a bump. We're going to say, hi, John. Following up on this to make sure it wasn't buried because I know you're busy. Thanks, Jacob. Then we're going to do follow-up number 2, right? This is going to be 2 days later, 4 days after that, if no response. Hi, John. Just had another big win with one of my e-commerce clients. Their Facebook ads campaign yielded a 12x return on investment within the first 6 months of working together. What time works best for you to chat this week? Happy to send over a few times as well. Thanks, Jacob. So, that being said, what we're doing here, we're giving them an initial email through the first line, a follow-up bump email, a big win email, which is like a third big win, and then the last follow-up we're going to do, is going to be the breakup email. Hi, John. Seems like making more sales with Facebook ads isn't a priority for you now. If that changes, please let me know. Would love to help you. Thanks, Jacob. So, you can change this out for anything, for conversion optimization, for SEO, for PPC, for Facebook, whatever you want to do. You can use this framework, and you can change the market and everything like that. Instead of talking about revenue, you can talk about decreasing the cost per acquisition, or whatever you want to do. You can mention the results you got in these case study sentences. This is just an example for you, but if you plug and play, if you use my lead generation document down below in the description, make a list of companies, and email them using a script like this, you will get meetings booked pretty much if the market wants what you're offering, which they do, and then you can close the deals. And if you want some additional help because you're not having much luck, you can't really book any meetings, or you're booking meetings but not making any sales, again, you can grab a coaching call with me using my calendar link in the description. Just click on the description, open it up, and book a call with me, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.